And now we move on to the next award category for the night, engineering and manufacturing.
The sponsor for the category is JTL, one of the largest work-based learning providers in England and Wales.
To present this award category, we have John Graham, Chief Exec at JTL, on the line. Ooh. Hey, John.
Hi, everyone. I'm absolutely delighted to be able to join you this evening, albeit virtually. It's not quite the same as being in the room with everyone, but it's such an important event. We're absolutely delighted to be here this evening to be able to promote and support it. Indeed, JTL have been proud sponsors of this event for the last 4 years, and we're delighted to be able to support this evening, as I said, and we always look forward to this event every year.
Thank you, John. Now let's see who the shortlisted apprentices are for this category.
The engineering and manufacturing finalist apprentices are Anesu Shivenga of Rolls-Royce, Ashan Gruel of Royal Mail, Daniel Kolahi of Royal Mail, Faizan Riaz of University College London, Harrison Shirley of UK Atomic Energy Authority,
Fancy.
Kale Shoka of Devon County Council, Mohammed Ghaffar of United Utilities, Natalie Asimengjian of GlaxoSmithKline, Raisa Matador of Jaguar Land Rover, and Serena Varia of Severn Trent Water.
Okay. John, please tell us who is the winner.
Right, well, before I can actually announce the winner, we first of all need to announce the highly commended apprentice, or in this case, apprentices in this particular category. The judges, as I said previously, have found this really tough category, some fantastic entries, and in the end they were unable to separate two of the apprentices. So many congratulations. We've got joint highly commended this evening. First of all, from GSK, Natalie Asimeng Gian, and from JLR, Raisa Matador. So congratulations to both of you.
Woo! Natalie and Raisa, big up.
Amazing. And the winner is...
And the Engineering and Manufacturing Apprentice, the 2020 winner overall, is Arshan Griwell from the Royal Mail. So again, many congratulations, Arshan.
Woo! Arshan!
Big up, Arshan!
Yes! Ashan has been an exemplary apprentice, showing excellent progression from BTEC level 2 and 3 in engineering maintenance to level 4 in engineering manufacturing. While facing a number of barriers along his journey, he has continued to strive for excellence, proving he is a team player and achieving a Duke of Edinburgh Gold Award. I got the bronze.
Is it? I didn't even enter.
That's as far as I got.
Never entered.
As a qualified mental health first aider, Ashan is always looking out for his fellow colleagues. If it's not support with their apprenticeship, then it's their general well-being, which is beautiful. Ashan helps to raise the awareness of apprenticeships by promoting Royal Mail Engineering Apprenticeships and STEM career paths. He often takes part in career events and visits schools to talk about his experience and the opportunities available. Thank you so much.
Big up, Ashan. You know, also very handsome.
Very handsome. Yeah.
So well done, Ashan.
You could look like that if you shaved.
Yeah, it's a lot of effort, though, isn't it?
Yeah, fair enough. Can't relate.
No. Now let's see who the shortlisted employers are in this category.
The engineering and manufacturing finalist employers are AE Aerospace, Blue Engineering, Bombardier, and GlaxoSmithKline.
I hope Bombardier Leviosa win.
Bombardier Leviosa.
John, who's the winner?
Of course, it gives me great pleasure this evening in announcing the Engineering and Manufacturing Employer Award for 2020 goes to Bombardier.
Yes!
So again, fantastic achievement. Many congratulations.
Yes!
And have a great rest of the evening. Thank you.
Yes!
Tez is genuinely
Bombardier.
happy because he gets to talk about Bombardier.
No idea who they are or what they do, I just love the name. Once again, Bombardier continues to set standards in the sector when it comes to diversity and apprenticeships. As the world's leading manufacturer of both planes and trains, wow, there's a film called that, they offer apprentices an opportunity to develop their skills and acquire valuable experience in a fast-paced, challenging and results-driven global organisation. Combining study with on-the-job learning, they offer apprenticeships in an exciting alternative to university and provide the foundation for a career in aeronautical engineering. If you're making planes and trains, like that's proper, innit?
I mean, you gotta know what you're doing.
So, big up Bombardier.
Definitely.